In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change comment notification settings in Google Drive. This simple process helps you manage how you receive notifications for your Google Drive activities, so you can stay informed without being overwhelmed with alerts. First, let's start by navigating to Google Drive's homepage. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in Google Drive in the address bar, or simply search for it using your search engine. Once the Google Drive homepage appears, make sure you are logged into your account to access your files and settings. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to locate the settings icon. It's typically represented by a gear symbol, often found in the upper right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will open up a menu displaying different options related to your Google Drive account and preferences. After clicking on the settings icon, you'll notice a drop-down menu. From these options, click on Settings to proceed. This will take you to another window where you can find various settings related to your Google Drive account. Now that you're in the settings window, the next thing you need to do is select the notifications tab. This tab is key as it contains all the configurations related to the way you receive alerts and updates from Google Drive. Click on notifications to explore these settings further. You'll now see options for managing your notification preferences. The first option allows you to control whether you get updates about Google Drive items directly in your browser. This means if you opt to enable this, you will receive notifications as pop-ups or alerts within your browser. Click on this option to toggle it on or off depending on your preference. Turning it off means no notifications will pop up in your browser, giving you a cleaner browsing experience. The second option pertains to receiving updates about Google Drive items via email. This feature is particularly useful if you prefer to keep track of changes and comments through your email, which you can review at your convenience. Again, you can toggle this option on or off based on how frequently you want to receive these email updates. By configuring these settings to best suit your needs, you ensure that you stay informed about essential updates while minimizing unnecessary distractions. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage your comment notification settings in Google Drive. By taking control of these settings, you can streamline your notifications and focus on what truly matters. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your digital workspace.